Hi everyone, this is Kautil Roshan and today we will be talking about how we can use Semrush for our social media. Means what are the options that are available in Semrush. We will go through all one by one. So do watch video till the end to know like what all options that Semrush offers us so that we can use that for our social media and all. And those who are new to my channel, they can subscribe that to get regular frequent update about digital marketing. You can go to my channel, you can watch as per whatever is needed. For example, so again you can go to my channel, and then again once you go to my channel particularly, you can go to the playlist, and once you go to the playlist, you can see here digital marketing tools video, social media marketing, SEO, Google Ads, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, email marketing, keyword research, and content marketing, and many more to come. So do make sure you subscribe and don't forget to press this bell icon. Now let's start the topic. Particularly today in this video we will be talking about how Semrush can help in our social media. So again, in social media, once you logged in into your Semrush account, so you can go to your social media tab. And to all those who don't know about Semrush, it is a paid tool and you have to buy the subscription for it. So once you buy the subscription, you can log in into that, and then you can come to your social media. Once you come to social media, here is a social media dashboard. So you can go to social media dashboard and you can say I have already connected one of my Pinterest and Facebook account. So again, once you connect that, you can set and you can add the new project in that, and you can again see how many ad campaign is there, what in the Facebook, how much is there, Twitter and all that. I can go and I can connect to that. So again, I can go here and again I can click on social media poster. So once I click on this poster, I can go and I can schedule here the post. Whatever post that I want to schedule, I can go and I can schedule. So for example, suppose 23, I want a new post to be scheduled. So I can write here and I can select the account that I want, Facebook page or Pinterest account. So I can go on and I can add further. So I can add here all the things. I can add the images and I can add the time and I can schedule. So my post will be posted at that time. I don't have to be online basically. So this is like first thing that we like from one dashboard you can do multiple things. Like I can schedule for the multiple account. Then afterwards I can go here tracker. So again, like particularly I can go here and I can track all the things. So again I can go to this tracker, and once I go to the tracker here, I can see here the engagement particularly of the account that I have added basically. So if I want particularly, I can go and I can add multiple. I can go to Facebook basically, I can go to the Twitter, Instagram, I can connect that, and once I connect it, you will get all this. Like I have connected to for Flipkart. So again, you can see here all the things related to that, whatever, how many engagement it got, what is the engagement rate, what are the reactions, shares and comment for that. So it is again a very good tool to do the competitor analysis. So again, if you go for audience, so you can again see here the audience analysis, basically engagement, activity and all, daily, weekly, particularly. So again, if you scroll down here, you can see the page like trends, how many people are liking that weekly, monthly and all. So it again give you a good overview for your competitor basically. So whatever I want to know, I can go and I can know. Just I have to go and I have to connect the account. As you can see, for the Facebook account, they are showing the page likes versus page likes changes, page like growth for Flipkart, because I have added Flipkart as a project. So you can add your own and you can know that. Then you can go to the social media analytics, and once you go to the social media analytics here, you can see I have added this page. So I can go here and I can click on that, and then you can know here whatever kind of people are following your particular page. So that you can go for Instagram and LinkedIn also. You can see how many male, female, what age group people are more there, like again activity time, what time they are active. So you can see here particularly the time that particularly my page likes, page followers are more active. So from where they are, so you can see United States and one is from UAE, and then again by gender you can say, and again by age. So this is again a good idea to know, like suppose if I want to target people and I want to know like okay, what kind of people will be more interested in my products and all. So this can give me a good idea about that. And one more thing that I like about that is the social media ads. So social media ads again is like, particularly I can go and I can create that. I already have added one account, my Facebook. So if you add one account, so you can go and you can create that as well. So again, after adding, they will take some time basically. So you can add, and after that they will be allowing you to create that. So you can go here, create. So once I go to create, just like you create the Facebook ads and all, if you want to know about Facebook ad, you can go to my playlist social media ads, and I have created one video for Facebook and Instagram ad, how you can step by step you can create and get the maximum results. Then here I can choose the objective, and then I can give here the budget, and I can follow the steps, and I can publish. So from here also we can manage the ad and we can publish the ad. So overall, if you ask, it is a very good platform to have, because again I have created another video for this. You can watch like in the my playlist of social media tools, like overview of Semrush, how we can do competitor analysis, and one also how good it is for SEO. So do watch that also if you are not watched that. So this is what we have in social media. So overall, it is a good tool. I will recommend, because we can do SEO, social media and advertisement research as well. So thank you for watching, guys. Do not forget to share with other whoever will need this video, and do not forget to press the bell icon if you haven't pressed, and subscribe my channel. Do subscribe that. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you.